Hello friends, today I have with me a very interesting video on the planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The latter refers to the effect of the iron oxide prevalent on Mars' surface, which gives it a reddish appearance, distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, with surface features reminiscent of the impact craters of the Moon and the valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps of Earth. Mars is approximately half the diameter of Earth, with a surface area only slightly less than the total area of Earth's dry land. Mars is less dense than Earth, having about 15% of Earth's volume and 11% of Earth's mass, resulting in about 38% of Earth's surface gravity. The red-orange appearance of the Martian surface is caused by iron oxide or rust. It can look like butterscotch. Other common surface colors include golden, brown, tan, and greenish depending on the minerals present. Now let's talk about the internal structure of Mars. Like Earth, Mars has differentiated into a dense metallic core overlaid by less dense materials. Current models of its interior imply a core consisting primarily of iron and nickel with about 16 to 17% sulfur. This iron sulfide core is thought to be twice as rich in lighter elements as Earth's. The core is surrounded by a silicate mantle that forms many of the tectonic and volcanic features on the planet, but it appears to be dormant. Besides silicon and oxygen, the most abundant elements in the Martian crust are iron, magnesium, aluminium, calcium, and potassium. The average thickness of the planet's crust is about 50 kilometers with a maximum thickness of 125 kilometers. So now let's talk about the Martian soil. The Phoenix lander returned data showing Martian soil to be slightly alkaline and containing elements such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chlorine. These nutrients are found in soils on Earth and they are necessary for growth of plants. Experiments performed by the lander showed that the Martian soil has a basic pH of 7.7 and contains 0.6% of the salt perchlorate, concentrations that are toxic to humans. Now let's talk about moons of Mars. Mars has two relatively small natural moons, Phobos about 22 km in diameter and Deimos about 12 km in diameter, which orbit close to the planet. Asteroid capture is a long-favored theory, but their origin remains uncertain. Both satellites were discovered in 1877 by Asaph Hall. They are named after the characters Phobos and Deimos, who, in Greek mythology, accompanied their father Ares, god of war, into battle. Mars was the Roman counterpart of Ares. In modern Greek, the planet retains its ancient name Ares. And lastly, let's talk about exploration of Mars. As of 2021, Mars is host to 14 functioning spacecraft, 8 in orbit: 2001 Mars Odyssey, Mars Express, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MAVEN, Mars Orbiter Mission, ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, the Hope Orbiter, and the Tianwen-1 Orbiter, and 6 on the surface: the Mars Science Laboratory Curiosity Rover, the InSight Lander, the Perseverance Rover, the Ingenuity Helicopter, the Tianwen Lander, and the Zhurong Rover. The public can request images of Mars via the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's HiWish program. Mars has been explored by several uncrewed spacecraft. Mariner 4 was the first spacecraft to visit Mars, launched by NASA on 28 November 1964. It made its closest approach to the planet on 15 July 1965. Thanks for watching.